the creek and you stuck it. You're able and focused. Whatever has your mind gets a sharpened edge. What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? Whoever's at the wheel keeps on turning, but you stood up, you lasted. You climbed out of the truck when you crashed it. What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? What will you do with your power? You may not have planned this to find yourself alive where you landed.